Unraveling the meaning of tight game in English. Hello, dear viewers. In today's lesson, we will be exploring a thrilling English phrase that you've likely heard if you're a sports fan or enjoy competitive scenarios: tight game. This phrase is packed with tension and excitement, and by the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but how you can use it in your own conversations. So, let's get ready to tighten up our English language skills. When someone says it's a tight game, they're describing a situation where competitors are very close in skill or score, making it difficult to predict the outcome. The word tight in this context means close or even, indicating that there's very little room or margin between the opponents. A tight game can refer to sports, business, or any scenario where there is stiff competition. Let's see tight game in action with some examples. The basketball match last night was a tight game. The score was neck and neck until the final buzzer. Negotiating with those savvy investors was like playing a tight game of chess. Every move counted. Everyone was on the edge of their seats during the soccer final because it was such a tight game. Notice how in each scenario, the phrase perfectly captures the suspense and nail-biting quality of the contest. You can use tight game to talk about any close competition. When discussing sports, do you think tonight's match will be a tight game? Referring to exams or contests, I can't believe how intense the spelling bee was. It was really a tight game right up to the last word. In business or gaming, we're neck and neck with our competitor in sales this quarter. It's going to be a tight game. Remember, it's a versatile phrase that you can use in any context where there's a close contest or competition. And that's a wrap on the meaning of tight game. I hope this explanation helps you get a firm grasp on the phrase and you feel more confident using it to describe any nail-biter of a situation. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep practicing your English. A tight game isn't just in sports. It's in learning too, where every bit of knowledge helps you score. Until next time, keep learning and stay tight in your games.